In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily allow or deny tournament invitations on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser and then go to chess.com. Then make sure you are signed into your account, and after that, first of all, we need to go to settings. To do that, click right here, and then in settings search for privacy. That's where we need to scroll down a bit until towards the very bottom we'll find Allow Tournament Invitations. The option is turned on by default on each of chess.com profile. However, if we would like to deny tournament invitations for us, we can easily do so by toggling this button off. Once you've done that, just don't forget to click at Save to save the changes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.